Oh yeah, 690 gang is back. And we got, what is that called again? A mid pipe now? A link pipe, yeah. So you're catless, and then you just got that, the muffler on the back. And then the seat, the plastic other thing. You got the intake, you got the shroud coming. Oh, I didn't even notice that. What is that? It's just there to be fancy, or? Oh yeah, the side handles too? So I can't go for rides anymore. I'm riding around this quick trip. Hi, buddy! Whee! So today, what we're going to be doing is we are in Lake Geneva, Wisconsin, and I am joined. What are you doing? What? No? That could be the non-dampened sprocket. You didn't hear it before. I mean, I don't notice. It's loud enough. Dude, don't scare me with this stuff. Alright, anyway, back to it. We are in Lake Geneva, Wisconsin, and today I'm going to be showing you guys some of the fun roads around here. It took us like an hour and a half to get up here from the Naperville's, but yeah, this is going to be pretty cool, and we're going to ride directly into the sun. Great, love it, awesome. Oh, that's it, because that lake is, no, that lake is freezing, man. So as we head down 50 outside of downtown Lake Geneva, we're going to be hitting up road number 1, and that is what we like to call Snake Road. I don't know the official name for it, or what the road is, but we're gonna find out in just a second. See, isn't that good? I could so totally present a show. There's just so many narcissistic tendencies. What do you think? We're gonna turn left here on, oh, it is called Snake Road. That's the official name. Ooh, but this one is quite fun, and if you have the opportunity to, it's really good, but there can be a lot of gravel, especially at some of the driveways. But oh, when I used to live here, I used to know this road so well. Oh, if I still remembered it, it would be so good. Now I'm trying to be somewhat respectful and not absolutely rip through here, but oh, there are just some areas like this uphill, like, oh, there's always a bunch of rocks and crap. Oh, the sun, that is bright. Ka-cha! I know. Oh man, it is so bright. This is the perfect time of day to make this ride. We should probably go the other way, but I think we'll be okay. Long straight in here. We're gonna come to a left-hander. Oh yeah. I can't even tell if there's rocks on the ground. And just looking around, oh, it looks so cool. Ooh. Oh, a bunch of rocks. then we have the final corner, which this one's a very hard right-hander. Oh, rocks. Oh, boy. Wow, that was a beautiful turn. What do you think? But it's definitely a short little fun one, for sure. And this brings you right back out to Route 50, where we're going to turn left. We're going to keep going to road number 2. See, this is where it's like, I wish, like, we could figure out, oh, was that a cop? I don't think that's a cop. I wish we knew, like, the roads better so we could push it a little bit more, but I'm still kind of scared of that. Now we will be coming to road number 2, and this is right by the observatory, and this is kind of a fun big hill road. This is kind of the way that you get to Gordy's and Chuck's, and I do enjoy this one. It's got a couple good left and right handers back to back and a fun downhill section if you're coming this way. But you always notice it because you've got Yerke's Observatory, which is coming up on the left-hand side. That used to be the largest refracting or refracting something telescope in the world. So, fun facts as we continue our journey. Did you like that? Was good. I like that one. I like that one. See? All that narcissism's coming out, man. All right. That's cool. Alright, and so starts the section. We start right then left, and these are pretty hard rights too. Wow, I am going so slow. Oh, just go faster than him. Yeah, I don't know. All right, here, this one's fun. Hills with curves. Welcome to Fontana. Favorite sign right there, a little squiggly. All right, so we go left, right, left. That one's fun. Alright, so now we're getting down to the lakefront. We got Gordy's Marine. We got Chuck's Lakeshore Inn. If you want the best burger known to man, go to Chuck's. Wow. I feel like we need to take a picture or something. You know? Should we go on the curb? Alright. I'm diggity down. Oh. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, that's it. Think I need to? Can we just sit here and enjoy this for a minute? Yeah. Dude, this is what this place looks like without piers. Yeah. Man, looks totally different in the summer, eh? Dude, we spent way too much time sitting here looking at these. Dude, it's the best part. That's right, we should have. God, we gotta think ahead.